Niki and Ted.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. Woohoo.
Let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters R. Says R, 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 R. Many words have R sound with the letters R in the middle or end of it. For example, far, car, hard. Can you think of a word with the R sound? Ready, go! Time's up! Many words have R sound with the letters R in the middle or end of words. For example, start, marker, large. Once again, can you think of a word with the R sound? Ready, go! Time's up! Many words have R sound with the letters R in it. For example, arm, bar, party, star. Okay, don't forget the R sound in the middle or end of words.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Please support us by click the subscribe and like buttons. It's really helps our video to be recommended to other parents on YouTube.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.